Pilate therefore said unto him, Art thou a king then? Jesus answered, Thou sayest that I am a king. To this end was I born, and for this cause came I into the world, that I should bear witness unto the truth. Everyone that is of the truth heareth my voice. May God bless you. Amen. Tin pilatana nena chu lalini elo atia isuan ni lalkani asin thutak sheti rika pian chan le khovela karon kal chan ani tupo thutak kami apiangin kathu an pom thin atia thutak kami apiangin I suathu kan pom thin tharau thiang him zara lalpan ma som se ro se amen.